Welcome to the Alchemeister's Records. This time we'll craft a stew widely beloved in the northern nations for its rich flavor and warm coziness that dispels the ruthless cold of the Northland's winter with one spoonful. When the long winters are harsh and cruel, a bowl of this hot stew will warm the body and soothe the soul like magic. To begin, we'll boil water in a saucepan and add 2 medium potatoes diced by casting real siden. Salt them slightly and boil them for about 15 minutes. Once they are fork tender, remove, drain and set aside. In a large pot over high heat provided by casting Dow's Dorg, pour olive oil, add diced onion, sliced carrot, then stir and season to taste. Once the onion has become transparent, add half of the garlic and fry slightly. Then add the salted chicken and the remaining garlic. Stir until the chicken cooks and changes color to a slight white. Like a certain corrupt priest would, we'll add half cup of sweet white wine and let it boil to evaporate the alcohol. Then pour in broth along with some magical bay leaves. Add the potatoes and elven thyme. Mix well and let it simmer over a low heat while we prepare the frigid cream. For the cream, we'll start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour and stir to avoid burning the mixture. Once it has formed a smooth paste, add 1 cup of warm milk and 1 cup of fresh cream, mixing constantly until the frigid cream has thickened. Then season to taste. To finish our magic stew, add the frigid cream to the pot and mix thoroughly. Then add some sliced snow forest mushrooms and sliced flamme bell peppers. Stir all together with a mage staff to imbue it with warming magic. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, scraping the bottom of the pot a few times to avoid burning. Once our Northenland stew has thickened, remove it from the magic flame and serve it with bread. With this recipe, we're all ready to travel to Auriole at the northernmost part of the continent and reunite with our long-gone brethren. For more mystical and delicious meals, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Until the next record, alchemy will light your path to a delicious life.